Smart factory operation process. Place incoming materials on incoming material station. CCD reads all barcodes on reels. The system prints customer labels based on scanning results. Manually take and attach labels. Put reels into inspection station after labeling. Place verified reels into jigs. Call AGV to deliver jigs to intelligent warehouse. The jacking mechanism lifts the reel to the picking position. Robots feed reels in smart warehouse. CCD captures reel data and uploads it to the system. Robotic arm places reels into assigned storage slots. Real-time temperature and humidity monitoring. Scan smart rack codes and reel barcodes. Place reels in any storage position, like prompts completion of warehousing. All reel data is uploaded to the system in real time. When the system receives outbound tasks, AGV transports mobile carts to warehouse exit. Positioning mechanism adjusts cart position. 6-axis robot scans codes to bind mobile cart. Robot arm picks reels and places them onto lower conveyor. 6-axis robot places reels into mobile cart storage slots. After outbound task completion, AGV delivers mobile carts to rack area for kitting. Scan the code on the mobile cart. Storage positions on smart racks light up to prompt outbound operation. Put reels into any slot of mobile cart. Light indicates outbound completion. Supports simultaneous operation of multiple work orders. The AGV delivers the kitted mobile cart to the production line. Returned reels from production line are delivered to X-ray counter by AGV. Place reels into the component counter. Press start to convey reels into safety chamber. The device reads codes to obtain reel information. The counter counts reels and uploads data to the system. Adopt dual tray stations for higher counting efficiency. After counting, operators place reels onto jigs. Scan the QR code on the jig cart to call the AGV to return jigs to the smart warehouse.